So do you also wish to create and share automatic Instagram posts? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to use AI agent to automatically create and share Instagram posts. So as a fitness influencer, I want to share an automatic post on my Instagram every day at a specific time to engage my audience. So now here my objective is that every day at a specific time, using Schedule by Pabbly, I want to automate the entire process where I need to use OpenAI to generate the content and the image for my post, and after that automatically I want to post that content on my Instagram as a new post. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Schedule by Pabbly with OpenAI and Instagram using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll guide you through the process of automating your Instagram content creation using OpenAI's advanced tools. So as a fitness influencer, maintaining a consistent and engaging online presence is essential. So by leveraging AI, you can streamline the generation of captivating captions and workout tips tailored to your audience interest. So this automation ensures your content remains fresh and relevant, allowing you to focus more on interacting with your community and developing new fitness programs. So let's dive in and explore how to seamlessly integrate AI into your Instagram strategies. So as you all know that as a fitness influencer, maintaining a consistent and engaging Instagram presence is crucial for connecting with my audience and promoting a healthy lifestyle. So however, generating fresh content ideas and crafting compelling posts daily can be challenging and time consuming. So by leveraging OpenAI's capabilities, I can automate the creation of captivating captions and workout tips tailored to my followers' interest. So this automation ensures that my content remains relevant and engaging, allowing me to focus more on interacting with my community and developing new fitness programs. Consequently, I can maintain an active online presence without compromising the quality of my post, leading to increased follower engagement and growth. Okay, so here in this video, we are going to learn the process of how you can use the AI agent to automatically create and share Instagram post on your Instagram account. Okay, so here in this video, we are going to use an AI agent, that is OpenAI's ChatGPT, to generate our Instagram post, and then automatically it is going to be shared to your Instagram handle at a specific time every day. So here to build this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to connect our OpenAI account with our Instagram account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Okay, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as use AI agent to automatically create and share Instagram post. Okay, so now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in this trigger step, I need to select my trigger application on which I want to trigger this workflow. So here I want to trigger this workflow every day at a specific time, so that every day at a specific time a new Instagram post should be posted on my Instagram handle with image and the description generated by AI. Okay, so for that, here in this trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as a feature by Pabbly, that is Schedule by Pabbly. So Schedule by Pabbly is a tool that helps you automate tasks by setting them to run at specific times. People use it to schedule actions like sending emails, updating data, or triggering workflows without manual effort. It's perfect for businesses and individuals who want to save time and ensure tasks are completed on schedule. So here I'm going to use Schedule by Pabbly to schedule this workflow to automate the Instagram posting. So here in my schedule trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as schedule workflow, so that I can schedule my workflow for a specific time every day. Okay, so now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see it is asking me how often you want to run your workflow. So here to select the range, you can select it for regular intervals, once, every day, days of the week, or dates of the month. So here in this particular case, I want to run this workflow every day. So I'm going to select that range, and then here it is asking me to select the time. So here I want to trigger this workflow every day at 10 a.m. in the morning, because I want to post a new post on my Instagram every day in morning at 10 a.m. So I'm going to select that time, and then I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have successfully scheduled this workflow for every day at 10 a.m. time. Okay, so with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have scheduled the workflow, we are going to use OpenAI to generate a new content for our Instagram post. So for that, I need to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI develops advanced AI tools and modules like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. It's popular because it helps save time, improve productivity, and offer smart solutions for businesses and individuals alike. Whether you're brainstorming, learning something new, or automating tasks, OpenAI makes it easier and more efficient. So here in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, because I want to use ChatGPT to generate a description, or you can say a content for my Instagram post. Okay, so now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the token. So it says OpenAI uses API keys for authentication. Kindly visit your OpenAI API keys page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So now here to get the API token, let me take you to my OpenAI account. So this is my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to click on this API keys given in the left side bar. And here under API keys, you can see some existing keys. So I'm going to create a new secret key. And then here I'm going to give a name to my key, that is new post. And here for the project, I'm going to select default project, and then I'm going to create the key. And here you can see we have received the key, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to paste the API token. So this is my API token, and now I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the AI model. So I need to select the AI model using which I want to generate the content for my Instagram post. So here for the model, I'm going to select GPT-4 only, and then here it is asking me to enter the prompt. So I need to give a prompt to AI to generate a new content for my Instagram post daily. So now here I'm going to enter a prompt such as generate an engaging Instagram caption for a fitness influencer. The post post should motivate followers to start their day with a morning workout, emphasizing the benefits of exercise for energy and mood. Include relevant hashtags. Strictly avoid using special characters like quotation marks, ampersands, asterisks, or any other symbols. Keep the language simple, engaging, and easy to understand. Word limit should be 100 words. So this is the prompt that I'm going to give to ChatGPT to generate a content for my Instagram post. So here this prompt is going to remain same, and every day at a specific time, this prompt is going to run through OpenAI and generate a new content for our Instagram post. Okay, so I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a content generated which says, starting the day with a sweatish is my heart healthy alarm clock. If you want to charge up your day and boost your mood, kickstart your AM with some movement. No better way to wake up than breaking a sweat. So lace up those sneakers and set your intentions for the day. Remember, you will never regret a workout. Let's go early birds. And here you can see some hashtags also. So with this, we have successfully generated a content for our Instagram post using OpenAI's ChatGPT model. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. And now here, after generating a content, I also want to generate an image using OpenAI for the same Instagram post. So for that, I'm going to click on this add action step over here. And again, here I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. And this time I'm going to select my action event as generate image, so that it is going to use a specific model to generate the image using OpenAI. And now here again, to connect OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. This time, to build this connection, I'm going to click on this select existing connection because I've already connected my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in my previous action step. So here I've selected my existing connection, and now I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the model. So here for the model, I'm going to select Delhi 3 model so that I can generate the high quality images using OpenAI. Okay, so here I've selected my model, and then here it is asking me to give the prompt. So again, here I need to give the prompt to generate an image using OpenAI. So I'm going to give the prompt as generate an image for Instagram post, caption, AI generated caption, create a high resolution image. It must start with HTTPS or HTTP. Supported formats are JPG, GIF, PNG, ICO, BMP, and maximum image size is 8 MB, and aspect ratio falls within a 4:5 to 1.9:1 range. Do not add any kind of text in the image. So this is the prompt that I'm going to give to the OpenAI to generate an image, and here in the place of this AI generated caption, I'm going to enter the caption that I've generated using OpenAI in my previous action step. So now here, instead of entering the description manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my previous action or trigger steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new data through OpenAI, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the caption that I've generated using OpenAI in my previous action step. So this is the caption, and now OpenAI will use this caption to generate a relevant image using this caption for my Instagram post. Okay, so here I've completed the prompt. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me number of images to be generated. So I want to generate one image, so I'm going to give the number as 1 only. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me to give the size. So here I want the size to be 1024 into 1024 pixels. So I've selected that size, and then here it is asking me for the quality. So I'm going to select the quality as HD, and then here it is asking me for the style. So here I don't want to enter any style, so I'm going to leave it blank, but if you want to add the style, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have successfully generated an image over here where we have received URL of the image as well. So now what we are going to do is that I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to open it in a new tab to check the image that AI has generated for us. So here you can see the image that AI has generated for us, and now I'm going to use this image to post it on my Instagram with the description generated. So for that, let me take you back to my Pabbly's workflow. and now here we are going to automate the posting on Instagram. So before moving with the Instagram step, what we need to do is that we need to shorten the link that we have received over here, because this link looks very messy and Instagram is not going to accept such a long link. So now here we need to shorten this link using another application. So now here to shorten the link, we are going to use another application which is named as Bitly over here to shorten the link. So I'm going to add an action step over here, and here in this action step I'm going to select my action application as Bitly. So Bitly is a tool that shortens long URLs into neat and clickable links. So here in my Bitly action step, I'm going to select my action event as shorten link. And now here to connect my Bitly with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. And here I've already connected my Bitly account with Pabbly Connect. That's why I'm going to select the existing connection, and now I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and here for the group, I'm going to select my group that I've created with the name Ashi Rai, and then here it is asking me to enter the long URL. So here I need to enter the long URL that I want to shorten over here. So here I'm going to map the URL that I've received in my OpenAI's action step for the image that we have generated. So I'm going to map this URL, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the shortened link for the image that we have generated using OpenAI. So let's copy it and open it in a new tab. And here you can see this is the exact same image that the AI has generated for us. Okay, so moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and now I'm going to use this URL to make a post on my Instagram. Okay, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now here I'm going to click on this add action step, and here in this action step I'm going to select my action application as Instagram for business. So Instagram is a social media platform where people share photos, videos and stories with friends and followers. So here in my Instagram for business action step, I'm going to select my action event as publish photo, so that every day at a specific time OpenAI is going to generate a caption, or you can see the content for our Instagram post, and after that automatically it is going to generate an image for our post, and then using Bitly it is going to shorten the link of the image, and after that automatically using all the details it is going to create a post on our Instagram. Okay, so now here to connect my Instagram for business with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Instagram for business account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram for business. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Instagram account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Instagram account. Okay, so moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the Instagram account to use. So I'm going to select my specific account, and then here it is asking me for the photo URL and the caption. So in this photo URL field, I'm going to enter the URL that I have received in my previous Bitly action step. That means I'm going to map the shortened link of the image that we have generated using Bitly. So I'm going to map it over here, and then here it is asking me for the caption. So here I'm going to map the caption that we have generated using OpenAI in our previous action step. So this is the caption of our post, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully published an Instagram post using the content generated by OpenAI. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully posted the same image with the same caption on our Instagram automatically. So here it has posted over here right now because we have set up this automation. And once your automation is set up, then automatically every day at your selected time, your Instagram post will be published. Okay, so with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as scheduled by Pabbly and our action as OpenAI twice, Bitly and Instagram for business. So that every day at a specific time, our workflow is going to get triggered, and automatically using OpenAI ChatGPT, it is going to generate a content for our Instagram post, and after that it is going to generate an image for our Instagram post using the content generated by OpenAI in our previous action step. And after generating the image, it is going to use Bitly to shorten the image link, and after that automatically using all details, it is going to publish a photo on our Instagram account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to use AI agent to automatically create and share Instagram post. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.